everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Harvest Cafe. Today we are going to be showing you how to properly clean out and replace the pans for your lowboy and your top station. Our containers are empty, some of them are still full. We're going to swap these out for new containers, and we're going to replace the empty ones and get fresh clean ones in there. And dust off everything over there in the corner. So we want everything nice and clean, and then we will replenish our eggs as well. Empty, top and bottom, even on the side. We're just going to wash it all down. You get your bucket of soapy water and set at the top of your walls. And you're just going to wipe it down with your little scrubber, right here, little green scrubber. Make sure you get your grates on your shelves. Leave no stone unturned when it comes to cleaning your units. If you let anything sit around in your unit for too long, it can get moldy. There could be bacteria growing. There could be a number of things happening right underneath your nose, and you would never know it. So just make sure you get the whole thing cleaned. Hot soapy water. Clean your surface areas. Make sure you get everything. And then with a damp cloth, come in and wipe it all down. And then once you're done, put everything back. Make sure everything is labeled and dated and you can see everything. And that is your fresh, clean cooler, top and bottom.